has an international step-up program, which was actually started here in Australia. So we have Yamaha Junior Racing here, we then move on to MXT, Serco and CDR. So we've had that program for a few years now. That's also now been implemented around the world, so it's been quite successful for Yamaha. We have state-based programs, so each state has its own team manager, which is either an ex-professional racer or coach. They oversee 2 to 3 riders each state, and for this one event a year, they all come together to be here. So at the moment, there is 12 supported riders across the 5 states. Yeah, it's a big program, big presence, all the guys enjoy it. Probably what differentiates our program to some of the other brands that do stuff. It's not just hand passing someone bikes and parts saying see you in 12 months time. We oversee what they do and assist them with everything from diet, nutrition, training, coaching, so a whole range of knowledge we try and provide and hopefully fast track their development in racing.
The biggest thing is you mentor these kids, we bring them through. It's everything from how to set their goggles up to set up the bikes, help with the track, lines, where to start from and their riding. Obviously I've been racing, try and help everything with their racing and get them prepared for when they're finished with this junior side of things to go seniors and do a good job there as well, hopefully.
It's good to get them at a young stage and teach them the right way as well, but I teach them why and explain the exact reason behind it. It's just so that they understand, not to just tell them what to do and they just walk away and wonder why. Just explain exactly why you do things the way you do. If they can give you good feedback from riding, you can tune their bikes to what they require, and then watching them succeed, that's really good.
Whenever we go to a coaching school, he always helps me out, gets behind me, pushes me, and he's really been helping my riding lately.
We normally spend a couple of days a year just fine-tuning things and testing things, and it's just the knowledge you learn from racing yourself and hopefully fast-tracking the boys' future.
As a parent, I don't know how they watch their kid ride sometimes. I really struggle to watch my son or daughter on a racetrack, but the motivation, the enthusiasm the parents have, the dedication they have, just to be here is a huge effort from every family. I think the parents just get a bit of satisfaction out of seeing their children in a sport where there is dedication, discipline and some reward at the end of it. There's been plenty of examples where people have come through. Jed Beaton, Wilson Todd, Jay Wilson, Cody Dice, even Dean Ferris in 2007 started here and now back at Yamaha. So, it's been a very successful program over the time and one that Yamaha loves to continue. It's pretty cool to tell your mates at school you ride for a Yamaha factory team, doesn't it? So I'm sure that's all part of it. But at the same point, they get a lot of mentoring, they get the right people around them, and they're able to achieve a goal faster because of the help and support we put around them.
It's really satisfying to see my work into them and the work that they do and good results.
Well, I just want to say a massive thank you. I probably wouldn't be able to race without their support.